Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Thursday, August 28th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I'll start with the big picture. We are back above the 179.94 channel top, above it, below it, back above it. I don't see a sustained rally to 219.64. Well, I do need to add the triple Q. I'll be watching it myself for validation on longer-term upward continuation as we move through the rest of the year. I do see the triple Q, the broader index of NASDAQ 100, represented by the triple Q, needs to close above that channel structure, the 2.5-year channel top that NVIDIA settled above several weeks ago without any follow-through. And I think that follow-through would occur if we close this week above that channel top. That'll be a bit of a stretch for triple Q to pull off, but it is certainly possible. So we'll just kind of see. I'll let you know if that does occur on Monday's NVIDIA report. Until then, we've got this kind of a mixed bag. I don't see us turning aggressively bearish, though, in NVIDIA unless we can close below this 4-month channel bottom. Is that 4, 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, 4 going on 5 at 174.31. So, should I go short? The answer is yes, below 174.31. Should I go long? Well, I'm going to say yes if the triple Q closes above its 2.5-year channel top. I don't think you necessarily need to wait that long, though. There is a channel structure on the daily chart, not the right image. Where are you? Here. 182.55. I have it as a session containment level. I think if we close above this structure today, that is the beginning, the beginning of a rally over the next 2 to 3 weeks. This could take a little longer as this channel top is rising at a pretty steep pace. It could take into later September before reaching 200.97. The funny thing is, by the end of September, it converges anyway with 219.64, which will be our 2 to 3 month target. If we close this week tomorrow back above 179.94, I have no way to see this but that you must allow 219.64 over the next 3 to 5 months or less. And I would say you must anticipate 219.64 if the triple Q also closes above its channel top over the next couple of weeks. It tested its channel top and fell away. It's never yet closed above it in the triple Q. So on the upside, I do have 187.32. That's actually in reach today, perhaps, if we push, especially if we open above 182.55. But until then, 182.55 may actually contain daily highs, and we can quite easily from here, from 182.55, ease back to 179.94. Now, the 179.94 channel top on the daily chart comes in at 180.21. It's so close to 179.94, I really don't include it. But 179.94 is your sort of day tradable base. Can you buy that through September? I don't think just yet. I think you can buy actually, and I say this kind of very cautiously, but I think you can buy a settlement today above 182.55. I think odds then begin to skew to the upside for NVIDIA, and I would expect 200.97 within 3 to 5 weeks or less of closing above 182.55. That's what I think is likely.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
And if, once again, we push or open today above 182.55, 187.32 in reach, perhaps today, if we close above 187.32 over the next few days, that is even more bullish. And by that point, I think this is really what I want to say, that if we close above 187.32 over the next 3 to 5 days, we are then also likely above the channel top in the triple Q. So leave it at that. Going short, through September, advised with a settlement below 174.31. Then I would expect the upper 140s by the end of September. The upper 140s, once again, is that one-year channel top that we settled above over 2 months ago that we could revisit. It can, 149.29, contain selling through the rest of the year and even well into the first quarter. We can round up from here back to new highs within several months of testing 149.29, and I would expect it with a settlement once again below 174.31. Can you buy 174.31 on a 3 to 5 week basis? Yes, you can, because we could come off of it, and as long as we then follow through and close above, some variation of this 182.55 channel top, and then we're off to the races to the upside. I'm going to keep 182.55 light because it is above 179.94, and I think that is the critical level. If we close back above 179.94 tomorrow, Friday, we are in a stable market that is inclined to reach 219.64 over the next 3 to 5 months or sooner. And I use the word inclined very specifically. I think it goes from inclined to expected if the triple Q then closes above its 2.5-year channel top. Talking about the triple Q, you can see it for free by going to wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. We also put out a stock pick on Tuesday in Viasat. You can check that out. Recent stock picks have worked out nicely, almost reaching, some of them are 20% objective in very short order. And so check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. I will be back, of course, tomorrow with Friday's NVIDIA, and you have a great day.